Inside you can see the spacious living area so this is the kitchen area with the modular kitchen style. So this is the master bedroom which is super spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Adya Heights by the builders White Winds, which is located in Budigere Cross. Before we get to know a lot about the project, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform where you go for an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 1.5 acres with 1 towers, and the available stories are ground plus 8 floors. And let's talk about the connectivity. Before that, the available variants are 2 BHK. Now talking about the connectivity, Decathlon is just 2.7 kilometers away from this project. Orion Uptown Mall is just 3 kilometers away, and Late Oscote Road is just 3.7 kilometers away from this project. And talking about the amenities, this project has amazing amenities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lawn and many more. Right now we are in front of 2 BHK sample duplex flat called Adya Heights by the builder White Winds. So let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area with the sofa and table, and right in front of the sofa you can find the television unit, and there is a window for ventilation. And from the living area you can enter the balcony. So this is the balcony, which is very long and spacious. You can decorate it and customize it the way you want, and you can enjoy a view from here, and you can spend your leisure time here in the night or in the evening spending bitaki. So now it's time to check the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area with the modular kitchen style, and also there is a utility space here. So very big utility area. So you can use it as a utility as well as the washing area. And now it's time to check the dining area. So dining area is right over here. Very super spacious, and they've given storage units over here for storage purposes. So it's very big and spacious. So this is the dining area, and now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 2 BHK flat. So this is the common bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and windows for ventilation. And over here you can see under the staircase, yes, they have given storage spaces for storing your items. And also under the staircase they have given a shelf area over here for storing things. And now it's time to check the first floor. So I told you this is a 2 BHK duplex flat. So as you go to the first floor, you can see there is a big window for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 2 BHK duplex flat. So this is the first bedroom, which is very spacious. So you can see there's space on both the side of the bed, and on the right side you can find the wardrobe, and on the left side there's a window for ventilation. And this is the dressing area with a big mirror. And now it's time to check the bathroom. This is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation. So everything is super big and spacious. Now it's time to check the study area. So outside the bedroom you can see the study area with storage units. Before checking the master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to check the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is super spacious, and I really love the interiors. You can check the interiors, it's really amazing. Opposite to the bed you can see the television unit, and there's a study area over here. And now it's time to check the balcony of the master bedroom. So yes, this is the balcony. You can enjoy your evening time over here having a sip of coffee or tea. So the balcony is provided with a French sliding door. And now it's time to check the bathroom. Before checking the bathroom, you can see here there's a window for ventilation, and over here this is the dressing area. Yes, this is the dressing area with a huge mirror, and this is the walk-in wardrobe. A very huge wardrobe and a big mirror is given here for dressing purpose. And now let's check the bathroom of this master bedroom. So this is the bathroom, which is super spacious. with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and windows for ventilation. Yes, it's very super spacious. So this was all about the sample flat tour of 2 BHK duplex flat called Adya Heights by the builder White Winds. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the project, do mention it in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Aussie to know about more such amazing videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Adya Heights located in Budigere Cross by White Winds.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.